Hey friends, I finally got around to editing the part 2 to my Halloween strawberries. You guys have to add this to your spooky boxes this year if you're a beginner. You cannot go wrong with a Bloody Berry. Come on now. Guys, and please do not forget to shake that berry at the end because we need it to be smooth as fuck. And for the sandberry, I basically just did like a line down the middle and followed the pattern with a zigzag to keep it as straight as possible. Can you guys believe that I barely freaking watched Trick or Treat this year? Yeah. It's not even spooky season, but I'm already on these movies, y'all. So basically, I did the same thing as I did with the other line. I used this one also to follow as a guide across. So then I just started adding random ass little lines everywhere because I wanted it to look like distressed and not so clean and neat. Also, don't forget the little X's on his eyes, y'all, because he got things. And duh, you gotta add Scream, you guys. I've been watching his movies all fucking week, and I'm obsessed with him this year. Like, I want to add Scream to every freaking spooky box that I'm gonna make, I swear. Drawing the face, don't forget to outline the shape of his face and fill in the rest black so it kind of acts like he's wearing a hood. But yeah, that's about it, guys. This is how my little ghosty face came out, and yeah, bye.